Want a free copy of that? The link is in the bio. Every month you wait to take control of your investments is another month of paying fees on Underperformance. Let's say you've got £200,000 in your pension. Even a modest 2% improvement in annual returns compounded could be worth tens of thousands more over 10 years. My program doesn't promise returns, doesn't guarantee them, because you can't guarantee the future. What it gives you is control. You learn the exact steps I've taught for over 20 years, from institutional investors to private clients, on performance and common traps with investing. If you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding instead, book a free call or access the training at alpeshpatel.com/links. This isn't financial advice. Results can vary in the future, of course, to what they've been in the past. And this education and the data it gives is the real power. Stop outsourcing it at expensive fees to IFAs, wealth managers, St. James's Place, all of those places where the complaints are hefty. Instead, take control. And if you're in the 1% who want that personalized one-to-one education with me and the data that I use, so education and data, that's great. That's through that link as well. But if you're in the 99% who want to absorb all the free resources, I'm happy with that as well. And there's a ton of free resources, from books to online courses to free market updates, all through that link in the bio. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.